Hello children, hope you are at home and doing your best. Welcome back children, let us continue chapter 1, Arrival of Europeans in India. Before we start part 2, let us show that India was healthy and wealthy nation. It was the distinct country, a different country in the whole world. Many peoples and many merchants from various countries coming to in India by the land route do their trading. Arabian merchants and traders demand for Indian products like silk, cotton, muslin, paper, etc. Many other countries of European countries searching of different route, a different route through which they come to in India and start the business and do their trade. This route was searched the sea route. This route was sea route. With the help of sea route come to in India and do their trading and business. There were some of adventurous sellers of European country and other countries started searching different sea route. Many countries of Europe started their planning and implementation of searching sea route to reach in India. Some explorers find the route. Who are the explorers? Someone who travels other, someone who trade different places and countries. To discover the sea route, so we are going to learn about this explorer. Here we are going to see about one of the explorer named as Christopher Columbus. Christopher Columbus, an Italian explorer. He was one of the brave sailors. He was considered one of the brave sailors. Why have you considered the brave sailor? Because he ventured out to discover sea route to India. Venture means to find out. Go somewhere new and dangerous. When you are not sure what will happen, this means brave sailor. He also through that can go to the east via west. He started journey to India. Accidentally he reached out of place. This place was America. But throughout his life, he was under the misconception that he discovered the India. But in reality, he discovered sea route to India. No, he discovered the sea route to America. And due to which the native, what do you mean by native? Native means a person who was born in a particular place. So, natives of America are called Red Indians, and the island group in the Caribbean is known as the West Indies. Now, we will see next class another explorer, Vasco da Gama. Thank you.